So in this Apple Pages tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to italicize text on Pages. And this is on the iPhone or the Apple, I guess iPad or whatever application. So once the Pages app is opened up, I want you guys to go ahead and type in some text here. So if I were to go ahead and type in the word italicize, I can't even spell. Italice, italicized right here. As you can tell, it's not italicized. Now, if I were to go ahead here and double press it, and then right in the bottom where there's B, I, U, etc., press on the slanted I, that'll italicize the text. Another way you guys can do that as well, if you were to go ahead and just type in text right here, I want you to double tap it, go to the top right, press on the paintbrush, then scroll down to where it says font, B-I-U-S, press on I, press on accept, and that's how you guys can italicize text that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how to italicize text on the Pages iPhone application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.